Suno just dropped their newest model, version 4.5, and I want to get into everything that's new and show you how to use it. The first new feature is they've expanded the amount of genres that you can now include in a song, and they've also done a better job improving genres mashing together in the same song. I'm going to combine these genres together.
Wakes up to kiss the sea. Golden rays dance wild and free. The air is so warm, it feels alive. The summer's got a spark to thrive. Epic skies and endless days, burning bright in golden haze.
For me, it nailed the mashing of the genres. The sound and quality sounds a little bit improved, but to my ears, I'm still hearing that shimmer. If you disagree, let me know. The other thing that Suno has made improvements to is the song generation. You can see within seconds, the songs are already ready after I've hit the create button. So this one is a mashup of neo soul, Midwest emo, and EDM, which is an example that Suno gives.
The sun wakes up to kiss the sea. Golden rays dance wild and free. The air's so warm it feels alive. The summer's got a spark to thrive. Skies and endless days, burning bright in golden haze, chasing sunsets, hearts night.
This one has kind of a Rufus Du Sol or a Coldplay kind of a vibe. There's still the doubling up on the vocals for the most part, but I love the enhanced sound and I love the entire vibe of the song. I really feel like this is one of the strong points of 4.5 so far. It's really good at just the genre mashup to get you the songs that you want. The other new feature in 4.5 is enhanced prompting. The idea now is you can give very detailed descriptions to guide the song creation process and really get specific on how you want the song to be. In this example, I'm writing, I want to start with a hip-hop song, I want to transition over to pop vocals, and for the hook, I want to switch to the beat to a classical music.
The sun wakes up to kiss the sea. Golden rays dance wild and free. The air so warm, it feels alive. This summer's got a spark to thrive. Epic skies and endless days, burning bright in golden haze, chasing sunsets, hearts ignite. Summer's magic feels so right.
So this started with a hip-hop beat. I was anticipating maybe it would also be with rapping until the transition to pop vocals, but it sounded like 4.5 just started with the vocals right at the beginning. Once we got to the hook, we had the classical music with the violins and the sounds in the background. The other new feature is song extensions. So the default song extension previously was up to 4 minutes. With 4.5, you can now do that up to 8 minutes. When you click the three dots on the side, you go to Create and you click on the Extend button. Suno will bring up this new UI where it'll ask you where you want to extend the song from. I'm just going to start it from the very end of the song. I'm not going to make any changes and I'm going to click Create. I tried extending the song several times. There seems to be a weird quirk going on. Despite starting the song from the very end and the full 2.5 minutes, it's only giving me 2 seconds of the song. This might just be a weird quirk, some kinks that Suno needs to work out. They have indicated that you can extend songs now up to 8 minutes. The other new feature in 4.5 is the ability to combine cover songs and personas that you've created. I'm going to create a cover of this song and then I'm going to combine it with a persona and let's see how it ends up. This one is the cover with no persona.
I came from the dust, no map in hand. Build my own road through sinking sand.
Now let's add a persona to this. Now I have a pre-existing persona, which I'm going to add a rock vibe to it.
I came from the dust, no map in hand. Built my own road through sinking sand. Got the grind in my blood, ain't no standstill. Got the world in my sights and I've been They doubted me once, now they watch me rise. Pulling stars from the night, call it my prize.
The doubling of the vocal is still there, but wow, did it ever do a good job with keeping the song cover consistent and then layering in some of those rock elements. I need to continue playing with 4.5, and I'll definitely create more videos in the future and share them with you. If you're new to AI song creation, or you're even an expert, and you want to significantly enhance your AI song creating skills in tools like Suno, I posted a link to an AI song creation system, which will help you improve your song creation skills tenfold. This guide goes beyond the scope of what I share in my videos. Click the link below posted in the video description.